Check these iPhone settings right now to protect your privacy. Tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Notifications. From here, Show Previews, tap here. You have the choice of Never, When Unlocked, and Always. I would suggest you pick either Never or When Unlocked, because if you pick Always, then someone can pick up your phone and see all of your messages, emails, and notifications. Another thing you want to do right away is enable two-factor authentication. I'm not sure why people are hesitant to do this, but on your iPhone, you should either have a passcode, a Face ID, and two-factor authentication, or at least a passcode and two-factor authentication. And you'll see with most apps nowadays, they're moving to that because it's just that much more secure. So here's exactly how you do that on your iPhone. Tap on Settings, tap on your name and Apple ID, tap on Sign In and Security, and from here, you can enable two-factor authentication. One thing you need to do on a regular basis is check the devices that are signed in to your Apple account. And you can do that through your Apple ID right on your iPhone. A lot of times we'll check that once and think, oh, we're good. But you should really check that on at least a monthly basis. And every time you update to the latest iOS system, I would go back and check and make sure you recognize every device that can use and access your Apple account. Tap on Settings, tap on your name and Apple ID, scroll down, and right here at the bottom are all of the devices that have access to your Apple account. Make sure you recognize each one of them. If you don't, tap on them and remove the item. Another thing that will really help to secure the privacy on your iPhone is just to go in to each individual app and make sure you want them to access your location, your microphone, also your camera. I go through these, and unless it's an app like TikTok that I use on a daily basis, I pretty much don't allow any of them to access location, camera, and microphone. Probably the one exception would be Maps, because if you don't allow them to access location, you'll have trouble using it. And people are worried that, well, what if I need the app? Well, if you turn on the app, it'll give you a notification that says, hey, you need to have either your camera or your microphone or your location settings turned on in order to use this app effectively. As AI becomes more advanced, it's that much more important to stay up to date with the latest release of iOS. Now, probably a year and a half, 2 years ago, I used to tell people, hold off, because as you update, it takes more memory, and then over time, your iPhone kind of doesn't work right anymore, right? You need to upgrade. But with the advances in AI, they regularly release updates, and they're going to continue to do that, and they're going to have security and bug fixes that'll help keep your iPhone safe. Hey, if you like this video, I'm iPhone Scott. Hit that thumbs up, also the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.